Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be talking about paper trading with Moomoo. And if you are new to this, don't worry. Stick with me to the end and I will go through what is paper trading, what you need to know about paper trading, and some cool features in the app. Please note that all of my content over here in this channel is not an investment advice and you should conduct your due diligence accordingly. Now, this content and all of my contents up to date has not been sponsored and all advice given to date is my own genuine personal opinion. So, if you would like to support the channel, please do give me a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Or you could even use my referral links down below and I will receive a small kickback to support this channel. So let's jump right into the topic. What is paper trading? Paper trading, in simple terms, it means that you are trading with fake money or what they call virtual funds. These are not your own money and it is given by the platform, in this case, like Moomoo, in order to allow users to test their platform and their trading strategies. There are, of course, pros and cons of paper trading. The benefits, of course, is that if you are losing money, it doesn't harm your bank account, which is your real money lah. But the cons of it is that when we are using these virtual funds, it's actually a different mental state compared with using real funds. For example, when using virtual funds, you are willing to go all in and take higher risk for higher returns. But when using real money, risk management is very important. So therefore, even when you paper trade, try to think of it as your real money and trade in the volume in which you are willing to use real money to trade or invest. Also, fees are involved in the real world, so be mindful of that as well. I will also do a portfolio review where I share my portfolio when I hit 1,000 subscribers. But honestly, my portfolio is not that interesting lah. I don't follow any gurus and don't intend to be a guru as well. It's just a boring portfolio but has already been serving me well throughout my investment journey. So if you would like to know more about it, do subscribe. Let's get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. Next, let's talk about what you need to know about paper trading. So you see in the app, in the paper trading stock page, it has the word paper trade in the bottom left corner. While trading in the real world with real funds, it has the word trade. I'll put up both side by side in order for you to see. It's actually very similar, so be sure to be careful on that. Nevertheless, a good practice is to check the account on the top here before we submit the buy order in order to ensure whether it's the right account that we want to use. For example, paper trade has the account paper trading on the above, while the real account, it states universal account on the above. Not only that, we can also navigate to a paper trade using the three dots and click on paper trade to navigate to our paper trading account. So yeah, one of many ways to navigate to the paper trading account. Last but not least, let's talk about some cool features in the app that will help you do your analysis. As you may have seen in the three dots tab, there are several features in the app and let's go through some of it. There is this stock compare feature where we can compare the trends and financial of a stock. For example, if you want to add a comparison of stock, just click the add button over here and then they will filter according to the industry in the first section. But of course, you could also search for the stock. For example, let's say Genting, and then click on the add on the right here and click on save. So what you will see is the price trends of each of the stock, key data, and some indicators as well. So basically, an overview of technical and financial analysis all in one page. Really cool and useful. We can also favorite the stock and it will appear in your watch list and create a new favorite tabs here. Yeah, so basically that's it. I find these are really cool features and I do recommend you guys to try it out. Kickstart your investment journey. Do use the referral link down below from my channel as it will support the channel as well. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to leave down in the comment section below. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.